So in UK, the prosecution can start against defendant in two of the ways. The first is charge and requisition, and other is arrest and charge. So the charge and requisition could be brought by public prosecutors, the police, the Crown Prosecution Service, the Revenue, and the Customs. The documents are posted to the home address, informing the person that he is prosecuted for the criminal offense and requiring him to attend the court. On the specified date, that person can turn up at the court, and he can either plead guilty that he has done the wrong, or either he can plead non-guilty that he has not done the wrong. If he has pleaded guilty, then the court shall give a sentence against him, and if he has pleaded non-guilty, then the trial shall start against him. So it is usually police or CPS who start prosecution in the charge and accusation. However, a private person can also start prosecution against the defendant if police is reluctant to make a case against the defendant or arrest that defendant. The private prosecutions are sometimes commenced in very serious cases by laying off an information when a police and Crown Prosecution Service decided in July 1993 that there was not enough evidence to prosecute the alleged murder of the Stephen Lawrence. Stephen's family commenced a private prosecution the following year by laying an information. So the charge and requisition could start by public prosecutors themselves or by the public themselves. So, which is called private prosecution, and in that manner the person against whom the wrong has been done has to go to the court and inform the court that that wrong has been done, and police is reluctant to arrest that person and put a charge against that person.